Yeah. So that honey is going to go down inside and then they can feed on it.
That will keep them going for tomorrow.
Oh,
Yeah.
There they are, clustered in there. It's not many, but they should be alright. I'll just keep feeding them honey for the next few days and they should be good. When I put the box down, they all walked into the hive. Unfortunately the camera ran out of battery, so it didn't catch it. They just all marched in up here and straight into the hive, which is good. That's how you catch a swarm and introduce it to a hive. That's how I do it anyway. One time I found like 4 queens in a big swarm, so I managed to get, I got 3 hives out of that one. But there's only 1 queen in this lot, I think. So I'll just feed them for a few days and get them strong, and then I'll go through and check the queen and see if she's laying. Hopefully it's not an old queen. But yeah, more than likely I'll have to replace her before too long. Yeah, we'll come back to that another day.